Now, I think we all know there are significant physical benefits to exercise. It's so good for us in so many different ways. Our muscles, our bones, our circulatory system, everything. But I think what's perhaps less well known is the mental health benefits and the kind of emotional and well-being benefits of exercise, which are huge. You know, if we can, we want to be doing exercise just for those benefits too. And then the other aspect of that scientific research really shows is beneficial for our emotional state and our well-being. It's actually just being outside, being in nature. Somewhere like this, it's so beautiful, so green. There's birds singing, there's sheep roaming around. It's just a really nice place to spend time. Now, most of us don't have something like this on our doorsteps, granted, but I think most people can usually get to somewhere like this within a drive or even through public transport quite often. And so if you can, I'd really recommend it. And I mean, I think at this point we know so many incredible plant-based athletes that prove that you can be vegan, you can have a vegan diet and not only survive intense physical activity but actually thrive. It can actually help make you better. There's no need to overcomplicate eating vegan, even if you're doing quite intense physical activity for quite a long time. Quite simple foods, you know, porridge, sandwiches, they're easy to prepare. And if you wanted any snacks or anything like that, I think kind of a trail mix like dried fruits and nuts are ideal. You can sometimes even get store-bought little kind of bars made of fruit and nuts. There we go. So I would definitely encourage you, if you can, to get outside and do some exercise in whatever green spaces there are near you. Okay, the steep part's about to start now, so I probably need to sign off because I'm not going to be able to talk soon.